Welcome back to Wrench-Wise Garage. Today I'm servicing this 2003 Dodge Dakota 4.7 LV8. For the oil change, I'm adding a can of BG109 engine performance restoration. After adding the cleaner, start the engine and let it idle for about 10 minutes so the product can circulate through the engine.
A few moments later.
After running the engine, the oil pressure gauge is reading low and the check engine light is on. A scan revealed code P0522, indicating a problem with the engine oil pressure sensor circuit. In this case, the sensor has failed. Let's begin the oil change by removing the engine oil fill cap. Next, remove the drain plug and allow the engine oil to completely drain. Install the drain plug with a new sealing washer. Using my electric torque wrench, I'm tightening the drain plug to 25 foot-pounds, following Dodge service information. Remove the oil filter and allow any remaining oil to drain before fully removing it. Now I'll remove the failed oil pressure sensor using a 27mm deep socket. Here's the new oil pressure sensor. Install the new sensor and tighten it securely. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new oil pressure sensor. I'm pre-filling the new oil filter to help reduce dry startup time, then installing the filter hand tight. Here's a look at the new oil filter and oil pressure sensor installed. Always verify the correct oil viscosity for your climate and operating conditions. Now I'm adding 6 quarts of 10W30 full synthetic engine oil.
A few moments later.
Reinstall the engine oil fill cap. Start the engine and verify proper oil pressure operation. The gauge is now reading normally after replacing the failed sensor. After shutting the engine off, verify the oil level. The oil level is between the add and full marks. Keep in mind the oil level may vary slightly once the engine reaches operating temperature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more automotive repair tips and diagnostics.